Imagine turning one sentence into an eye-catching video clip. No camera, no green screen, no VFX team. That's exactly what Runway lets you do. Today I'll show you what Runway is, how it works, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time. Welcome to the AI Breakdown 101, your go-to hub for making sense of the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Today we're diving deep into Runway AI. Runway is a cloud-first creative studio powered by generative AI. It combines text-to-image and text-to-video models with an in-browser editing timeline and fast AI tools for background removal, object erasing, and style effects, all aimed at speeding up video creation and prototyping. You type a prompt or upload footage, pick a model or tool, and Runway runs the heavy lifting in the cloud. Outputs drop directly into the Runway Studio timeline where you can trim, composite, add audio, and export. No local GPU required. Think prompt, generate, refine, export. Key features to call out: text-to-video generation for short clips, text-to-image and image-to-image editing, a browser-based video editor with layers and timeline, one-click background removal and object erase, templates and social-ready export presets, cloud rendering and collaboration for teams. Compared to image-only tools like Midjourney, Runway focuses on video and editing. Compared to avatar tools like Synthesia, Runway is more about creative visuals and effects than talking head avatars. And it's not a full professional NLE replacement. It's best used for fast prototyping and social clips, not final broadcast-grade finishing. Why use it? Speed and experimentation. You can mock up concepts in minutes, remove backgrounds or objects without Photoshop, and iterate on visuals quickly. For creators making social shorts, promos, or concept reels, Runway can cut days of work down to hours. Downsides to be aware of: generated video can show artifacts or odd motion, especially in longer clips, and exports at very high resolution or long duration may be limited or cost more. There are also copyright and ethical concerns when generating likenesses or using protected IP, so tread carefully. For beginners, Runway is very approachable. Point-and-click UI, templates, and on-screen prompts make it easy. All heavy processing runs in the cloud, so you only need a modern browser and a good internet connection. No powerful PC needed. Runway usually offers a free tier or starter credit so you can test features, then paid plans or pay-as-you-go credits for heavier use. Pricing and export quotas change often, so double-check the current plans on Runway's website. Standout advantages: the smooth prompt-to-studio workflow, fast one-click AI fixes like background removal, and social-focused templates that let creators produce polished, short-form content without complicated software. If you make content and want to prototype visuals fast, or you need quick social clips without a big production setup, give Runway a spin. Try the free credits, run one of the sample prompts I used in this video, and decide if it fits your workflow. If it does, it'll save you a ton of time. If not, it's a great tool for ideation and rough cuts. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep exploring AI, one breakdown at a time.